All right, so let's get started. There's a lot to talk about in this space. In particular, I think retail has a real big opportunity to take advantage of AI. Today, we'll focus more on vision and the impact of vision, and I'll show you some cool case studies that I ran into as I prepared for this presentation. So first of all, I think from a use case perspective, there are some things that you may have heard of in the press, whether it's personalized service, right? You've seen the Pepper robot that can receive people, interact with them, but it can also get pretty personalized. It can actually do face recognition, or you could do face recognition and be able to give people very personalized recommendations. One of the biggest challenges in brick and mortar retail today is theft, and they call it shrinkage, or there's lots of different terms for it. But theft is a huge issue, and actually, even though there's a lot of surveillance cameras, there's really no one watching them, and that's true, by the way, about all cameras. I mean, the last speaker, of course, had a terrific presentation on how to automate that for a very specific use case in baby monitoring. You've seen the drone, the Amazon Prime drones, and I think everyone, like Domino's, I believe, is trying to build drones for delivery. The other place that's the revolution's happening, I would say, is warehouse automation. It turns out that warehouse automation is a lot about safety and worker availability. So it's hard to find workers to actually work in warehouses because it's actually a dangerous job. You're moving equipment. There's often heavy equipment also driving by. So there's big trucks, big sort of pallet pickers also in the same warehouse. So there's a worker safety issue. There's a worker retention issue. So there's a big move towards automation. Vision-based checkout and inventory checks, another two things that are becoming popular. These, I feel, are the ones that, at least when I thought of vision in retail, these were the ones which popped in my head as the obvious ones. So I took 3 case studies which are not obvious, and that's what I'm going to talk about today.